everyone, my name is Carrie and this is my daughter Graycie.
Hi everyone!
Welcome to our channel, Learn, Do, Teach Hairstyles. Now this channel is all about learning new and different hairstyles, so if this is your first time here, we would love for you to subscribe. And if you're already a subscriber, we thank you and we love you guys so much for your support.
Today we're going to be showing you guys how to do the vertical link S-waves. So let's get started.
I went ahead and put her hair up into a ponytail and put some gel on her hair just to tame those flyaways and have better grip. And I also went ahead and wet her tail down thoroughly so that way I can work with it better. You can do this dry if you like, but I prefer it to be wet. Anything I use in this tutorial, I'll leave a link in the description box below. The first thing you want to do is to section off a small piece on the top part of the ponytail. You want to go ahead and split this into 2 equal sections. And then you're going to go ahead and take an elastic band, and you could choose any color elastic band you like. Right now I just have black, so I'm going to go ahead and put her hair into an elastic band. This. And then I'm going to do the same thing I did here over there. Alright, so now that you have 2 of those there, I'm going to take these 2 and bring it up right here for now. Pin it up temporarily. I'm going to take the rest of this hair here and split this into 2 equal parts. Now I'm going to take these 2 down. And I'm going to work on this one first. And if you need to wet it, go ahead and wet it again. I'm going to split this into 2 equal parts. So I'm going to take the big strand and put it in between the small strands. This, okay? And I'm going to do the same thing I did here over there. Again, let down the hair if you like, split it into 2 equal parts. Then you're going to do the same thing. You're going to take the big strand and put it between the smaller strands, like that. Now you're going to take the 2 strands and cross them over. Now you're going to take these 2 strands and you're just going to go ahead and this one on top and this one here at the bottom. Pull it right through there, place it right through here, and you're going to go ahead and take the 2 strands and link them together, meaning you're going to take the elastic band and secure them together. And when you secure them, make sure that you secure them to where it's about 2 to 3 fingers length. It up a little. And then you're going to do the same thing here. Okay, so now you're going to take these 2 small strands and wrap it around the big strand like this. Then you're going to go and secure them off like this. And smooth this out first. Then you're going to secure them off together. See how it's vertical right here? That's what you're looking for. Okay, so you're going to just do the same thing again. Get the right smaller ones right here. Split it into 2. Put the big strands in between the small strands like this. You're going to do the same thing. Split this into 2 equal sections. Then you're going to take the big strand and put it in between the 2 little strands like this. Okay. Now you have these 2 big strands and you're going to cross them over. So the left will go over the right. Okay, and again, you're going to take the 2 smaller strands, bring that top strand on top of the big strand, and then this one behind that strand, and secure them off together. You can have your girl help you if you like to get the big strand out of the way so that you can go ahead and secure the smaller strands together. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and slide it up, tighten it up, just so that I have at least 2 to 3 fingers apart. Okay, again, I'm going to do the same thing here. So this will be up on top, like this, and then this back one, this smaller strand, will be behind it, behind the big strand, and then again, secure it off. See, it's already, see how the vertical link is going down? And then you're going to have this, and you're going to just pancake them out once you're done with your vertical links. I'll show one more time. Split this into 2. Put the big strand in between the 2. Same thing here. 2 big strands between the 2 strands. Take this, the left over the right. Then you're going to take this strand over that big strand and get the smaller one back here. Grab it and secure it off. Same thing, this goes in front, then the back, right here. Grab the front and the back together and secure it off with an elastic band. And that's all there is to it. And you repeat all the way down to your desired length. I'm going to go a little faster for time purposes only. Okay, so I'm going to stop right here. But before I secure them all together, I'm going to go ahead and pancake out the outside strands. Just going to go ahead and tug them and pull them out just to give it some volume and some thickness.
I can do
See how it looks like an S shape already? It's vertical down here. Okay, once you're done and you're satisfied of the way it looks, you can go ahead and secure them all together here at the bottom. And then I'm just gonna tug the bottom part right here out just for that last S shape look. And a little hair accessory just to cover that elastic band down here. Put some hairspray. And there you have it. Looks like an S-shaped form, doesn't it? With the vertical links going down. Almost looks like a dollar symbol. Final spin. Question of the day, what's your favorite go-to hairstyle?
Tell us in the comments below.
Thank you guys so much for watching. We hope you enjoyed this tutorial and find value in it. Now, if there's a style that you would like us to recreate, please let us know in the comments below.
We love feedbacks. Let us know about your success and following our videos and parts we might be able to improve on. Also click on the notification bell right next to the subscribe button.
Please help support our channel by clicking the links in the description. This helps us to continue making videos for you. Also, if you have extra time, click on over to our newest channel, LDT Eats. Don't forget to give us a thumbs up and click our logo below so you don't miss any of our upcoming tutorials.
To watch more of us, click on over there. Love you guys. Until next time,
Learn it, do it, and teach it to others. Bye guys. God bless.